subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning. Me, Mr. Vikas Anand, welcome you all students in your channel English for You. Here, today you will got the word meaning of NCERT book of class 8th from lesson 1st. The topic is the best Christmas present in the world. आप सारे स्टूडेंट का आपके अपने चैनल इंग्लिश फॉर यू में स्वागत है। आज आप सभी को NCERT बुक के पहले चैप्टर क्लास 8th के पहले चैप्टर जिसका टॉपिक है द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड के वर्ड मीनिंग के बारे में आज चर्चा किया जाएगा। हियर वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द वर्ड्स, hard words and their meaning in this video. And now come to the point. The first word of the chapter, the best Christmas present in the world, is spotted, which means saw or found, whose Hindi meaning is dekha. As in my previous video, some of the students contacted me for the Hindi meaning. So I have also mentioned here the Hindi meaning of the words. पिछली वीडियो में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट मेरे से संपर्क किया और उसने हिंदी मीनिंग के लिए भी बोला, जिसके कारण से मैं अब जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ वर्ड मीनिंग का, उसमें हिंदी मीनिंग भी देने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, स्कॉच मार्क, विच मीन्स बर्न मार्क, जलने का निशान। वाज गोइंग फॉर, वाज सेलिंग फॉर, नौ से एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाना। नेक्स्ट वर्ड, रीस्टोर, विच मीन्स रिपेयर, मीन्स पुनः निर्माण करना। नेक्स्ट वर्ड, VENEER, विच मीन्स अ थिन लेयर ऑफ प्लास्टिक और डेकोरेटिव वुड ऑन फर्नीचर चिप वुड, whose Hindi meaning is सजावटी परत। नेक्स्ट, एक्सपेंसिव, having a high price or cost, महंगा। नेक्स्ट, clumsily, without care, फुहड़ ढंग से। नेक्स्ट, mandate, which means the act of repairing, it means बनाना। नेक्स्ट, drawer, which means an open topped box that can be slid in and out of the cabinet that contains it, whose Hindi meaning is Daraj. Next, taken their toll on, which means damage, and Hindi meaning is खराब। Next, stuck fast, shut tight, तेजी से अटक गया। Underneath, which means below, नीचे। Envelope, which means a paper wrapper used to enclose small flat items, etc. लिफाफा। Unfolded, which means to turn out, खुला हुआ। Frame, fit up, Hindi meaning is also frame। Scruples, feelings that make you hesitate to do something, संदेह। Standing to, taking up position, खड़ा होना। Trenches, long deep ditches in ground where soldier hide from the enemy, Hindi meaning is खाई। Fritage, a name of German soldier, जर्मन सैनिक का एक नाम। टॉमी, a common name used here to refer to British soldier। टॉमी, इस चैप्टर में टॉमी का यूज किया गया है ब्रिटिश सोल्जर के लिए। दैट वुड बी दैट, दैट वाज ऑल, दैट वाज द एंड ऑफ द मैटर, वह होगा। SCHNAPPS, snaps, a German drink made for grains, Hindi is also snaps। Cello, a musical instrument like large violin, Hindi meaning bela। Crisps, sharp, clearly defined, kurkura। Sausage, a food of ground meat and seasoning sausage. Suppose, take for granted, माना कि occurred, which means happened, हुआ, marzipan, a sweet covering on a cake made from sugar, eggs and almonds, बादाम का मीठा हलवा. Goalpost, one of the two vertical side pole of a goalpost. Noticed, observed, गौर किया. Generously, in a generous manner, whose Hindi meaning is उदारता. Next word, unwillingly, in an unwilling, न चाहते हुए भी. Dugout, a shelter for soldiers made for digging a hole in the ground and covering it. डोंगी. Exchanged, change between two, विनिमय या फिर बदला करना. Treasure, a collection of valuable thing, हिंदी मीनिंग खजाना. Distance, far away, which means दूर. War, to engage in conflict, युद्ध या फिर लड़ाई. Terrible memory, dreadful remembrance, which means भयानक स्मृति. Burned out, destroyed by fire, आग से जल जाना या फिर जला हुआ. Boarded up, covered with wooden boards, ऊपर चढ़ा. Knocked, ripping sound, which means खटखटाया. Muddle headed, confused, भ्रमित. Nursing, in the in the state of suckling the young, पोषण करना. Lit up, became bright with happiness or excitement, which means जलाया. Matron, a mature or elderly woman. वयस्क स्त्री. Corridor, a narrow hall with room leading off it. गलियारा, conservatory, to which preserve from injury, which means संरक्षिका. Wispy, flexible strand, which means asperse. Suffused with, spread all over face, which means भरा हुआ. Stocked, having a replacement, बदल देना या फिर झटका. Next word, often, which means a lot, and its Hindi meaning is अक्सर. You may have more words beside it. The words which I have mentioned in this chapter, you can also have the problems in more other words beside all these words. So, if you have any problem in the meaning of any word in this chapter or any of the chapter, you can comment me in my comment box or contact me on my mobile number 9472880865 or 93049655513, or you can mail us on the given mail ID, or you can follow me on the following IDs. Thanks for watching the whole video. I will meet you soon in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.